This is a short tutorial for importing content from one course to another. You can only do this if you are the owner of the original content. If you need to import someone else's content into your course, you'll need to ask someone from the GBC online team to do that for you, and we would need the permission from the other professor. For your own content, you'll need to know the course name where the content currently resides. You can copy that course name. You start in the new course at the home page, as we are here, and if the shell is empty, you can use the Add Existing Content icon on the home page here, or if the course's home page is occupied with other content, you can come down to Settings and then go to Import Course Content, and either way it'll send you to this page. Start by going to Content Type, select Copy a Canvas Course. Here is where you would paste in the name of the course where the content resides. Typically you would bring in all content, but you could choose to select specific pieces of the content. For our purposes here, we'll choose all content. And one of the options is to adjust the events and due dates. This moves due dates from the previous semester to the current or upcoming semester. The dates may not be precise, but they will be pretty close, and you can adjust them as needed in the calendar function. If you are importing content from a current semester to another course within the current semester, you would not need to check the Adjust Dates box. So click Import. It takes a moment for this to load up and be done. When it's finished, if there are any problems, you'll see a notification right here that tells you of problems. Typically it has to do with broken links, and then you can click on that and go and repair that link. As you can see here, we have no problems. So once it's finished, the content is in, go to back to the home page. You can see now we have content here, and of course you need to publish your course for student view at the home page. Also be sure to publish any content within the modules that the students need to view. If you already have some content in the shell, the newly imported content will be added at the end of the existing content in modules. Nothing is replaced. Let us know if you need any assistance. You can call or stop by GBC Online in HTC room 115. Thank you.